Going on, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to dive into Terra today again and basically just break down this market structure. So I'm on the 1 hour time frame and I have left the analysis on here from last time and what I was saying. So I think what I was saying last time was around this level here, and I was saying, you know, we could potentially bump into this trend line and get the continuation down, or we could pull back into this low high for a double top and then the continuation. Or I said alternatively we could get this breakout of this structure for your retest there and then get your continuation up. And that's what's happened this time. You know, I always like to look at each aspect or each outcome, I should say, of which way the market could go, just because then you planned and anticipated for any occasion basically, and you're ready for basically your long or short opportunities, and you can basically work out that just by putting in your levels and then just making a bit of a plan of how structure could form, and then you go from there. So as you can see there, you know, we had that breakout structure, and then we've retested this level, and then we've pushed up higher. So now what I'm thinking is, because we've had the breakout of this structure, so I'll go back onto the 4H time frame, and what you can see there, so this, I think that's our all-time high there, isn't it? That is our all-time high there, pretty sure. So I'm going to mark that off like that. And what you can see has happened here, we've broke out this structure, we've had strong momentum coming in, and sorry about that. And what you can see is basically we've come back and we've retested this level, but we have bounced off this all-time high, and of course, you know, that is bound to happen. People will be taking profits at these levels just as a psychological level. So I'm pretty interested now into what's going to happen with this pair, because obviously, you know, anything above here is like unknown territory, and that's when things start to get interesting. So pretty interesting times for Luna USD, and you know, I am going to be watching closely to what's happened, because we have had this break and this is the retest of this level here. So, you know, if we're going to get that continuation, you do want to be seeing that strong momentum coming in. And then you can, you know, then you can be looking for your long opportunities back up further. But it's always a little bit unsure when you're going into unknown territory, because then, you know, this is perhaps where your fib levels will start to come in, but it's not the way I trade. And I just basically like to look at this market structure that we can see in the here and now. So I mean, it is looking good. You know, it is looking promising. You know, you're breaking into your all-time high sort of areas. And obviously, you know, that's good for everyone. If I mean, even if you bought up at the top, you know, you're pretty much break even now, and you could potentially be going into the green basically. So yeah, you know, looking pretty bullish for this pair, and you could be getting that bullish continuation back up into these higher levels. So yeah, you know, I'm going to keep you updated. I'm pretty interested to see how things go myself. That's basically it. I'm just going to keep it pretty short and sweet. What we'll be looking for here now is these wick rejections coming in. So you can see we've got a few wick rejections there, but you can see in this little exhaustion phase, we are just bouncing off this bit of a level here, and basically just sort of struggling to break and close above that level. But I anticipate that we might get a bit of consolidation around here now, just with it being this this all-time high basically. But you can see there, you know, yesterday we had that really strong bullish close, and I don't think, look at that, it just closed shy, I think, of the highest candle close, I think. So yeah, pretty interesting. I'm going to leave it at that. Just going to keep you updated based on how things form over the next few days, and then yeah, I'll get back to you with another video. So that's it though for now, everyone. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers everyone, take care, bye bye.